Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be playing with my slime. And this slime is actually really sticky, so we're going to be just playing with it and making it a good slime. So if I overactivate it a little bit, I have water over here. And we might play with this slime, but it's overactivated and gross and dirty. See that? It's gross. I'm gonna throw that one away, but not. I'm gonna save the container. I don't know where I'm gonna throw it, but I'm just gonna throw it away. So when you play with it, it's not as sticky if you move fast, but it's sticky. So we're gonna add some activator to it because I do not enjoy sticky slimes. Comment down below what type of slime is your favorite. Sticky, thick, thin, like a small batch, a big batch, butter. Never made butter, but I felt butter. Marshmallow slime. Never felt or made marshmallow slime, but iceberg. Yeah, felt or made iceberg slime. Jiggly. I can't remember if I've ever made this one. It's a little overactivated, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of water. And this was a gift from a friend, this slime. So, and I did add a lot of slime to this, so it was about this size of slime, and then I just kept adding to it, and now it's this big. Not really that big, but it's like a decent, it's the size of slime that you would normally make, but I'm getting the rest of this slime, but it's going to be purple. She's sometimes I just add way too much activator when I activate slimes because I think it's going to need a lot more than it actually needs. So that happens a lot. Sorry, I'm just trying to scoop up all the other ones. I made it perfect. Okay, so this is perfect. It's not that sticky. See if I see them. When I do that, it doesn't really stick. The only thing I don't really like about this slime is that sometimes when you stretch it, it kind of rips. But it's super stretchy. See, look at that. It's super stretchy. But only sometimes when you're stretching it rips. And there are rocks in it because that pink slime that I showed you is. So it was not overactivated, but I overactivated it to get some rocks out. That was a bad idea. That was a super bad idea. Because now I can't, it's not deactivated. Now, I'll show you. Right now it's just, here, maybe if I flip the camera. But there's all, okay, there we go. See these rocks? activator floating everywhere. And it won't come together. See, it's just... Ew. It's so gross. Doesn't click. It clicks well though. I don't even know if I want this slime. If I cannot fix it, I'm throwing it away. Actually, no, I can't throw it away because I've changed myself that since it's so close to December and it's almost a new year, I can't throw away any of my slimes until 2019, which is soon. Today is November 28th, so it's in about a month. In 12 days, so about a month and 2 weeks maybe, 2 weeks and a half. So not too long. I also want to get stuff for slime for Christmas. But I don't know because I did get slime on my brand new computer. But I got it out. That's why now I don't play with slime. Even I used to always, I only play with slime over here, but one time I went over by my bed and played with slime. And then is how so I do, right after this video, I am going to make a no talking version of me filming this slime. So if you want up close, like that kind of slime, go check out my other videos. I'll try to leave a link down below, but I cannot promise you I will because I have not made that video yet. So I don't think I can even leave a link to something if I haven't made it yet. I'll leave the title in this title, so I'll put it in. Okay, so I think that's it for today. But you should go check out my other videos with slime. Bye guys.